Hey Thomas, we've had a great year selling on Bird Key. Let's take everybody out and show them around.
That's a great idea. Let's take a look at a few of our new listings.
This is one of my favorite new Bird Key listings that we have. I love the openness of the design. It's absolutely gorgeous.
I agree, the warm colors, this island is just perfect.
Look at all of this living space.
I love the openness of this kitchen. You can see everything from here. Perfect place to entertain.
And I love that you're just steps away from your boat and your jet skis.
Absolutely. You have this beautiful summer kitchen, covered seating over here.
100 feet of water frontage.
It's stunning.
Isn't Bird Key beautiful?
Absolutely. We've seen some great homes today.
The perfect tour.
Thomas, how could a buyer find out more about Bird Key?
You can call us at 941-387-1840 or visit us online at pettingellprofessionals.com.